Airports reveal a lot about a person's character, and refined travelers behave very differently. In today's videos, I'll be discussing three such points that differentiate people who have built a personal brand from the rest of them. And watch the third one because that's the best one. The very first thing that you may have noticed at airports is that the moment the plane lands, there are so many people just standing and leaving their seats and rushing towards the gate. Elegant people never do that. They never rush as soon as the plane lands because they know one very important thing: elegance is patient. The second and the most important thing, which many people lack, is understanding the concept of space. And people who build their personal brands know exactly how important it is to provide that personal space. They know how to respect the personal space while onboarding and deplaning. You may have seen that many people, as soon as the plane lands, they all stand up even before the seatbelt signs are off. They stand up, they start removing their bags from the cabinets, and they crowd up in the aisle area. But an elegant person will never do that. Somebody who understands the importance of giving that space will always be seated in their seats and will never crowd the aisle area. They patiently wait for people to move and then they stand up. In case they are the ones sitting on the aisle seat, they remain seated until somebody has asked them to get up if they are on the window seat or the middle seat. And hey, they don't just stand up and move. Once they have done that, they take their seats back and they wait till the others leave. Because they very well know that crowding the aisle simply showcases impatience, and people who are elegant and have built a personal brand will never showcase these traits. I want you to ask yourself, how many times have you done that, or how many times have you seen people do that, just crowding the aisle area, wanting to rush and get off the plane? And here comes my favorite one, the third point, which is elegant people are always very gracious with the airline staff. You will never see them misbehaving with an airline staff, and also if they want anything, they will respectfully wait or ask respectfully. And that differentiates them from all the rest of the passengers. You will also notice that people who are gracious with the airline staff are often the ones who are respected by the airline staff. They are given more importance as compared to the others. Have you ever seen an air hostess help the person who is so patient and knows how to treat them well and also bring things for them without them even asking? Even if such elegant people ask for something from the air hostess, they will make sure that this person gets it. And also the ground staff for that matter. The airline staff is not just the crew members on board, but also the ground staff. You will never see elegant people being rude or abrupt with these people. They understand the importance of being gracious and how every single work is equally important. Remember this one important thing: how you treat service professionals says everything about your class. True sophistication is not situational. Elegant people are always very mindful of all these small little things, and this is what sets them apart from the rest. Sophistication shows up everywhere, right from the boardrooms to the airport lounges. Because, hey, personal branding isn't only about how you look, it is about how you behave when nobody is evaluating you. So tell me in the comments section which one is your favorite point and which one have you followed or have seen elegant people do so. And if you are someone who wishes to build that sophistication and elegance for yourself and wish to make a personal brand, do not forget to click on that subscribe button and also on the bell icon next to it to get notified every time that a new video is uploaded. And don't forget to click on that like button if you like this video, and also share it with all those people who you think are very classy and elegant, and also with those who you think need to learn all of this. And don't forget to follow me for more such lessons on modern etiquette and executive presence.